Alright, go.
How much?
Just a tip. Well, like a lot, kind of.
And then we want to lick that whole part off?
No, bite it off and chew it.
Oh my gosh, it seems so nasty.
Just go. I can't believe you're gonna do it.
No, you're not.
Wait.
That's a lot, girl. Is that much? That's too much.
No.
It scares them off. Alright, I'll eat that much. Alright?
Alright, go then. For first round. Ah!
It's cracking.
Shut up. Okay, easy.
Oh, looking nasty, huh?
Oh my god! Second round.
One more time. Oh, hell no.
It is. Go. One more. One more time.
Alright, drink this part.
No.
Girl, I'm not even gonna enjoy the ice cream anymore. For real, dude. Like,
No.
crunchy is what I don't like. It's crunchy.
Okay, just one more time. Dip it one more time. Oh shit.
Nah, it's too much. Hell no. Hell no, girl, that's way too much. That's it.
We're losing.
No, yeah, that is like black.
No, put some on it.
That's fine.
No.
Oh
That's-
my god. Nah, that's too much.
Alright, there.
Okay, oh my freaking god. He's like shit though. Ah.
No, bite that one.
Ah. Oh my god.
Oh shit, your face.
Ah. Getting nasty, man.
Oh, fine.
Alright, yeah, stop recording.
Okay.